Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into 5 advanced technologies set to revolutionize our world. From quantum leaps in computing to breakthroughs in biotechnology, these innovations are already starting to change the world as we know it. Quantum computing. It sounds like something straight out of Star Trek, right? But trust me, this is very real and very cool. Imagine a computer so powerful that it makes even the most advanced supercomputers we have today look like toys. Unlike traditional computers that use bits, which can be either a 0 or a 1, quantum computers use qubits. These qubits can be in multiple states at the same time, thanks to the mind-bending principles of quantum mechanics. This allows quantum computers to perform calculations at an exponentially faster rate than classical computers, especially when it comes to complex problems. We're talking about solving problems in minutes that would take classical computers thousands, maybe even millions of years. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize fields like medicine, material science, and artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI as we like to call it, is no longer a thing of the future. It's here. It's evolving at an incredible pace, and it's already changing the game across various industries. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is poised to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Machine learning algorithms can analyze massive amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions with remarkable accuracy. This has huge implications for fields like healthcare, finance, and even entertainment. The possibilities with AI are truly limitless, and while there are important ethical considerations to address, there's no denying that AI is one of the most transformative technologies of our time. Self-driving cars, they've been a staple of science fiction for decades, and now, thanks to advancements in AI and sensor technology, they're becoming a reality. Imagine a world where traffic jams are a distant memory, where accidents caused by human error are drastically reduced, and where commuting becomes a time to relax, work, or catch up with loved ones. Autonomous vehicles rely on a complex network of sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms to perceive their surroundings, make decisions, and navigate roads safely and efficiently. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are making significant strides in this field, and it's only a matter of time before self-driving cars become a common sight on our roads. The future of transportation is autonomous, and it's closer than you might think. Biotechnology is advancing at an unprecedented rate, unlocking the secrets of life itself and paving the way for groundbreaking medical treatments and innovations. We're talking about gene editing, personalized medicine, and even 3D printed organs technologies that were once considered science fiction but are rapidly becoming a reality. CRISPR-Cas9, a revolutionary gene editing tool, is allowing scientists to precisely target and modify DNA sequences, opening up possibilities for curing genetic diseases, developing new disease therapies, and even enhancing human capabilities. Imagine a world where diseases like cystic fibrosis, Huntington's disease, and even cancer could be cured at their genetic roots. And with advancements in personalized medicine, treatments are becoming tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environmental factors. The need for clean, sustainable energy has never been more urgent, and thankfully, innovation in renewable energy technologies is accelerating at a rapid pace. From solar and wind power to next-generation batteries and energy storage solutions, the future of energy is looking brighter and more sustainable. Solar panels are becoming increasingly efficient and affordable, allowing homeowners and businesses to generate their own clean electricity. Wind turbines are harnessing the power of the wind to generate massive amounts of renewable energy, and advancements in energy storage technologies are addressing the intermittent nature of these renewable sources. The transition to a sustainable future relies on embracing these innovations and investing in a cleaner, greener future for our planet. From quantum computers to renewable energy, these 5 technological advancements are not just shaping the future, they're shaping the present. It's an exciting time to be alive, witnessing the dawn of a new technological era that has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges and create a brighter future for all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in technology.